Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the webcam and display panel cables through the speakers for later replacement. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the webcam ZIF connector and disconnect the webcam ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the webcam cable from the routing channel on the speaker assembly. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the system board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the speaker assembly. Disconnect the speaker cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the two 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speaker assembly to the top cover. Lift the speaker assembly off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speaker assembly.